Hi, my name is Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I've made a video, but today I wanted to teach you guys how to create your own vision board for 2021. I've pretty much given up on 2020, so I'm just gonna start planning for 2021 and I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the same. So the first thing you need for your vision board is obviously a board. Mine is a little dirty, but honestly it doesn't really matter because we're gonna be covering it up with pictures. Next thing you're gonna need is your printed pictures. So when I was selecting these pictures, they're not my own personal goals, but I selected pictures based on what people typically like to manifest. So generally speaking, that includes things like love, money, success, travel, happiness, cars, things of that nature, just really anything you can think of. So this isn't a personal vision board, I'm just using these pictures to show you guys how to do it, but you can switch it up based on what your own goals or visions are. Next, you're gonna need scissors to cut up the papers. You're also gonna be needing either tape or glue. Glue is better, but I only had tape. So yeah, I'll just get right into it. So I've created vision boards in the past. I'm still working on one right now, which is why I'm making like a pretend vision board or an example vision board. And so far I can say that I've manifested like a good amount of what's on that board. So I don't want to share exactly what it is just because it is a little personal. But yeah, I really do believe in the power of manifestation, obviously, but also the power of visualizing what you want, because when you see something every day, even if you don't have it yet, you get excited about it. It's always on your mind. And when you're excited about something and you're constantly thinking about something, you're gonna do like everything in your power to make that become your reality. So I really do believe that visualization is a key tool to manifestation and creating the life that you want. So I'm just gonna finish cutting up all these pictures and then I'm gonna start playing around with them on my board. Okay, so now I've cut out all my pictures. I'm just gonna like rearrange them on my board until I like how they look. I also want to go over what these pictures can represent. So for example, I know a lot of people who would love a Tesla. So if you have a dream car that you want, go ahead and put that on there. So there's a lot of pictures. I'm probably not going to end up using all of them. And some of them represent the same thing, so I'm just gonna basically play around with them until I like how it looks. Okay, so these are all of the travel pictures. So if you are looking to travel, you want to manifest more trips, you can print out pictures such as this one. I thought this was really cute. I get all these pictures from mostly Pinterest, but you can also find them on Tumblr or literally just Google whatever it is that you're looking for and find an image that way. I really like Pinterest, it's really helpful. Pinterest and Tumblr. But mostly Pinterest. And so yeah, so anyway, and I also have pictures of where you could potentially want to travel to. So I think this is in Greece right here. I'm not sure where this is, but it looked cool. But yeah, basically if you want to travel, just find pictures of like the one that I showed you of the passport, or find pictures of the places that you want to go. So like I said, this is Greece. I think this is somewhere in Europe, it looks like. I'm not really sure. And then I have this picture of this girl in Paris. This is a really cute picture. I like that a lot. And then I had this. I don't even know where this is, but it was really pretty. So I'm gonna put that there. And then I found this picture as well. It's like this woman in some sort of blue lagoon. I don't really know where it is, but it looks really cold. So yeah, anything that represents travel, go ahead and put that on the board. I also have pictures related to health. So for example, if your goal is to like, you know, get in the gym or start eating healthier, maybe, I don't know, you want to become vegan, you can find pictures like these of just healthy meals. You can also print quotes as well. So I have this one, it says, fall in love with taking care of your body. So I'm gonna put that on there as well. I also have this, which could be applied to anything. It says, I can and I will. So I also have pictures related to a dream house, if that's what you want to manifest. So I have a picture of this really pretty house. You can also put pictures of what you want the inside to look like. So remember, when making a vision board, the more specific you are, the better. So that's why I have the decor of exactly how I would want the inside of this house to look. I also have pictures, I have one picture related to friendships. I actually have this specific picture on my personal vision board. I think it's Sincerely Jules. I'm not sure who the other girl is, but this is basically just to represent like friendship. Like, I want a nice social life, so I put this picture of these two girls at brunch just because that is what in my mind I think of when I think of friendship and social life. Okay, I also have pictures related to family. If you want to start a family or something like that, you can just find pictures on Pinterest like this. So I have these cute pictures of two couples with their kids. Also, I have pictures related to love. That's, at least I have found, is one of the most popular things to manifest is love and relationships. So I have something related to that. I have this picture of this cute couple on the beach. I also have a few pictures of rings. If you are looking to get married, or if that's something that you want, you can put a picture of a ring or your dream ring or whatever it is. I also have pictures of being a boss lady, if that's what you want. Personally, that is a goal of mine. So I found just a bunch of pictures of girls who look like bosses. So this lady really just exuded that boss babe energy. So did this girl. So really anything, like, there's no rules to this. Anything that represents your goal or whatever you want to manifest, you can put on there. So that's why I chose these girls dressed in super boss-like attire. I also have this picture of a home office. So she also looked like a boss to me, so just a really cute office. And I also printed this blank check, so you can write whatever you want, whatever amount you want, pay it out to the order of you, so it looks as real as possible. And whatever amount you want to put, go ahead and do so. It's all up to you. I think that's all that I have. Oh, I forgot this one. This one basically can be applied to anything. It says, don't tell people, what does it say? Don't tell people your plans, show them your results. I really, really like that quote. I feel like it could be applied to a lot of things. And then the last one I have here is, if you maybe want to, I don't know, start meditating or something like that, I have this this photo that represents that as well. Now, the next step is to make it look pretty. So I'm just gonna kind of play around with these and see what I like, what I don't like, and yeah, I'll go from there. Okay, I think I'm done here. Okay, so let me just show you what I have so far, and then I'm gonna tape everything. Okay, so this is my example vision board. I really like how it turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and finalize this by taping it. I just finished, and I am so excited about how it turned out. Look at how cute it is. I honestly wish that I used my own personal goals for this project, because now that I'm looking at it, I want it to be mine. Look at it. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so let me just go over this again. I have that check that I talked about earlier. I went ahead and wrote it out to myself for $120,000. I have the friendships, I have the motivational quotes, the travel pictures right here, the relationship pictures, the marriage pictures, the family pictures, health. And then I have this also represents travel. It's like what's it called? A passport. Yeah, I have my boss babes who I would like to be like. I have my meditation. Let me just shut up and show this to you. I am really just so pleased with how this turned out. I think it's so freaking cute. So yeah, that concludes this video. I really, really hope that I inspired you to create your own vision board so that you can look at your own dream life. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.